I'm Sahana. I'm from East Point College of Engineering and Technology. I'm EC background student and I'm 2022 passed up. I joined the JSpiders Hebbal Branch in the month of August, and recently I got placed in the company called Craft Silicon with a package of 3.5 LPA. And after joining here, I didn't had any knowledge about coding, and after coming here I learned every technology from scratch, and each and every faculty helped me a lot to get placed in this company. And the presentation classes, the grooming classes were very helpful. The presentation classes helped me a lot to improve my communication. Grooming classes helped me a lot to attend the interview, and the mock actually helped me a lot to hold one good knowledge about all the technical skills. And I suggest everyone to join JSpiders Hebbal Branch, because for learning any new technology, even if your background is non-IT, it is very good platform. So I thank everyone.